Learning comes alive when stories spark curiosity, when questions lead to discovery, and when every child finds joy in learning. That's the promise of Smile, made specially for students of grades K to 5. Structured and systematic, multi-sensory, integrated and inquiry-based, learner-centered and experiential. Smile is an interdisciplinary curriculum. Common themes weave across subjects, helping children make real connections between what they read, calculate, observe, and create. Built on a story-based pedagogy inspired by Gijubhai Badheka and enriched with visible thinking routines from Harvard, Smile ensures learning is meaningful, connected, and memorable. Backed by sound pedagogy and the ELP's approach, in English, Smile aligns with the science of reading, strengthening the 5 pillars of literacy: phonemic awareness, phonics, fluency, vocabulary, and comprehension. Smile nurtures comprehension and higher-order thinking. Every lesson follows the 5E instructional model: explain, explore, engage, elaborate, and evaluate. A student-centered, constructivist cycle that makes learning active and memorable. With ready-to-use classroom PPT, teachers can follow the 3 C's of learning: connect, conduct, and conclude. Across every subject and every grade from pre-primary to grade 5, Smile brings learning together into one coherent, connected journey. Smile is more than a series of books. A curriculum where curiosity leads to confidence and learning becomes a lifelong joy.